Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that makes building custom apps easy? Well, dreams do come true. If you're like most developers or entrepreneurs juggling multiple projects, you understand the struggle of turning UI designs into functional code. Today, we will discuss the Monday Hero Lifetime Deal, a game changer in the app development world. No matter how good you are at coding or how new you are, you will want to take advantage of this deal. Let's work together to figure out how Monday Hero works. What is Monday Hero? Know about Monday Hero. Imagine you had a powerful tool that could transform your UI designs into functional code in minutes, not months. It's like having a supercharged assistant to handle all your coding needs. Monday Hero converts UI designs from Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch into reusable code components, speeding up your development process. Designers can create their components in Figma, while developers can quickly build reusable components with this tool. It's the modern way for busy developers like us to get things done. Trust me, once you try Monday Hero, you'll wonder how you got along without it. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Regular pricing is over $349, but on AppSumo, you can get this for only $29. This is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal. Here are the different license tiers you can buy from AppSumo. License Tier 1. Tier 1 is a one-time purchase of $29, originally valued at $349. This is suitable for managing up to one project with one seat. License Tier 2. License Tier 2 is available for a one-time purchase of $89, originally valued at $150. It offers management of up to 6 project apps, 2 seats. Convert to React with AI Assistant. Pre-ready prompts for AI Assistant. 3,000 AI Assistant tokens per month. Hand off design files to developers. Manage teams and roles. Export assets. PDF, SVG. License Tier 3. License Tier 3 is a one-time purchase of $199, originally valued at $2,400. It offers management of up to 20 projects apps, 5 seats. Convert to React with AI Assistant. Pre-ready prompts for AI Assistant. 10,000 AI Assistant tokens per month. Hand off design files to developers. Manage teams and roles. Export assets, PDF, SVG. Limited time special pricing starting at $29. Pricing will increase soon. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to ensure it's right for you. 4 most important features that make Monday Hero special. Convert UI designs to code. In minutes, turn your Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch designs into reusable code components, saving you hours of costly development time. Custom components. Create code for UI components in Swift or Flutter, speeding up and streamlining your app development process. Design guidelines. Import existing design guidelines directly from Figma, ensuring consistency and avoiding duplicate colors or text styles across your app. Export code. Sync your code into your favorite development environments, such as Android Studio, Visual Studio, and Xcode, or download your Xcode project directly. People who can benefit from Monday Hero. Developers, entrepreneur curious, IT security agencies, designers, freelancers, small business owners, tech enthusiasts. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Got your eyes on the Monday Hero Lifetime Deal over at AppSumo? Well, guess what? I've got some spicy news for you. Extra 10% off alert. Yep, you're not dreaming. On top of that sweet $29 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's Monday Hero Lifetime Deal offer. Find a pop-up bar, type in an active email address. Use the same email address consistently. Check your email for the 10% off promotion. Reviews of the Monday Hero Lifetime Deal on AppSumo. Are you still waiting? So sad. Don't miss out. Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.